Hanaf, tell me about your injury.
My injury is a rotator cuff that I sustained almost 7 months ago at work, and the injury came by doing heavy work, operating on a machine that was faulty. And right now I'm doing physio, and it's helping a lot, especially with the particular exercise that I'm doing now. I feel like I focus and target where the problem is, and seeing the fact that the shoulder hasn't been really looked after proper in the past 7 months prior to coming to ProPhysio, I feel like right now the back of my shoulder doesn't have the strength, and it's dependent on the top part of the shoulder, and the whole back is just a mess. But right now I'm working with Lecky, and he's making things so much easier and simple. He's straightforward, and he's just made the whole process a lot much easier. I feel more comfortable now. I'm doing exercises, and he generally does a lot of things subliminally. He tries to quiz me just to make sure that I'm actually doing the task that he set me up. And yeah, it's something that I appreciate, because I can see the massive improvement within the last month that I've been with Lecky in comparison to the last 6 months.
Okay, so what Hanaf is doing here to assist with his right shoulder injury is we're really focusing on his scapular control. Now you can see that he's doing really good work in trying to keep the scapula retracted. So as he pulls the archer, he's trying to cock the shoulder blade, and then once he has that set, he's trying to straighten the arm. This has been a progression from his early exercise, and when he does this, we really want to feel the majority of the work around the shoulder blade and obviously around the rotator cuff. So what we're doing here is, doesn't look like a big fancy exercise. He's in the half push-up position, so his knees are bent. He's putting his hands under the shoulder, and we're really focusing on squeezing the shoulder blade together without shrugging. He's keeping a long neck, and the work should be right between the shoulder blades here. I really emphasize that he tries to keep the elbows dead straight, so don't allow them to buckle, so that the work is done in isolating these muscles between the shoulder blades. Okay, where would you say you feel that working, Hanaf?
Right between the shoulder blades.
Yes, you can see he's working pretty hard.